So guys, again, I just jumped into the market quickly to scalp about 5,000 Rand. I'm already up 6% on leverage, and that's the power of leverage. It allows you to just make insane profits. So I'm already about 2,200 Rand in profit. Yeah, this is going to be a quick one. I'm going to make a quick 5,000, maybe another 5 minutes. I just entered it in like 2 minutes ago. Found the market entry, and this is my 7th entry now. Probably do another 3 or 4, then I'll go and sleep, and that's a couple of tens of thousands of rands that I made today. So this one, maybe 5,000, maybe 7, maybe 10. Yeah, 10 will be pushing it up, but I'll be happy with 5. But already I'm on 2,000, so I can go ahead and just close it if I wanted to. But I want to ride it up to 5,000. Let me just see here. 5,000. Maybe I'll just go to Cape Town or something. Spend a couple days there, trade from there. Maybe Dubs. This is a great thing about this type about cryptocurrencies. You can trade it from anywhere. Then you use the money to invest in other things like property, businesses that are more sustainable. So when I want to take a break from trading, I'm doing my network marketing businesses and other stuff that generate passive income. This is active, right? This needs my attention 24/7, especially the scalping. The scalping is great. And of course, I've got another account that does the longs that, the big profits, but that takes a couple of days. Sometimes takes a couple of days, sometimes a couple of hours, depending on the volume and volatility to hit the tops. But in the meantime, while we're waiting for those longer moves, you can scalp, and like the longer moves bring in big amounts. Like I'm talking 50, 100,000. But scalping is cool for like 5,000, 10,000 year, 5,000 Rand, 10,000 Rand year. There, you can do about 10 of those moves. Just enter the market right at the right time, and then exit. So I'm about to exit now. I was hoping that it could get to 0.04, so I can show you how I'm gonna close it. But let's see. I'll try and catch it. I hope I can catch it, and then I'll show you guys. Chat later. Okay guys, so a couple of minutes has passed, and you can see that I'm on a profit of 30352. I'm going to be closing over here at 7980. That's my plan, and I'm sticking to my plan. Okay. What I realize, if I don't stick to, and that's my alerts, if I don't stick to my plan, then it just creates ill discipline in me, and that's when I lose money. So always stick to the plan. Like if this is your plan, don't go and make that 8,000. That's where I run into issues when I start changing things and I don't stick to my plan. As you can see, my plan's about to pan out very nicely, and I just made I'm gonna make 5,000 bucks shortly. Let's go. Give me 5,000, man. See, it's bouncing back and forth, trying to. So I want to close at about 5,000. So as soon as it's, I can't set an order to close at 5,000. Maybe I should just do that. I don't have to worry about. Okay, so let me just do that, and I'll make it 7, 8. Oops. Almost gotta be careful with that. Alright, there we go. And then, let me just take profit over here. Close at market. And boom. That's a 04672. It was 04. Yeah, it was 0742. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for joining me, and feel free to contact me. Just remember that This type of trading is dangerous, so trade with caution. But you can do the scalping. Like I've scalped like 7 times today, 7 times 5,000, and at 1,000. That's 36,000, right? I might do a few more scalps today. That'll take me up to maybe 45, 50,000 Rand in one day profits. That's the power of crypto. That's the power of trading with leverage. It is 10 times, 15 times. You can see I leveraged 15 times. But I can go 25, 30, but I'm just managing my risk. All right, guys, cheers.